Alright, this is going to be an elevator drag race at Nordstrom Cloudseeker Galleria by Roxy. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Gotta make it back down. Oh no. He's already closing, are you kidding me? Who's gonna win?
Interesting. The Bell and the Musa.
Hurry up! Hurry up! There we go. And I won. I won. And there it goes. And that will be it. And Nathan lost, so that means he has to eat a pile of chicken nuggets. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I have a loss of words. So, I won, and Nathan is confirmed to Ba. And it's Ba ha 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 ha. Bye.
I don't like being Ba.
You got so now that Nathan lost, Nathan gets to take a sheep class.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay, bye.